Hello, good morning, everyone. So welcome to our daily briefing. So let us start our daily briefing now by taking a recap on previous important economic data. So the first one is the Germany PPI year-on-year August. So the previous is 10.4%. The forecast is 11.4%. The actual is 12%. Okay, so this is not the actual is higher than the forecast. So this is a good news for the EUR, the euro dollar. So the next one is previous day market volatility recap for gold. The gold prices, it rise for 240 pips last night. Okay, so what happened on the gold market? So let's read the market volatility factor here. So the spot gold bottomed out on Monday and rebounded. The US dollar strengthened before the Fed's policy meeting. The price of gold fell to around 1742.38, a new low since August 13, but was subsequently supported by the risk aversion. Investors worry that the debt crisis of real estate developers may cause spillover effects, and the resulting demand for hedging outweighs concerns that the Fed may soon reduce its stimulus measures. Moreover, the sharp drop in the US stock market also increased the safe haven demand for gold, and the price of gold closed at around 1763 on Monday, which is yesterday. Okay, so that's the factor why the gold rise up instead of bearish on yesterday. Okay, so the next part is when come to US session, so which economic data we have to focus is the US building permits or goods. So the previous is 1.63 million, the forecast is 1.6 million, and the schedule is at 8:30 o'clock tonight. So if higher than expected reading should be taken as positive for the USD. So while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative for the USD. And then we go to the last part of our briefing today. So which is the market update for gold. The resistance level of today is 1773 and the support level of today is 1752. So my personal opinion, I will take it as a bullish instead of bearish. So why? So let's read the factors here. U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen warned again last weekend that if the U.S. Congress does not quickly raise the federal government's debt ceiling or suspend its effectiveness, the federal government may default on debt in October this year and cause widespread economic disaster. So as people's concern about real estate defaults intensify, investors are scrambling to buy safe haven bonds, which is pushing yields down, and which is good for gold. Okay, so this is the first reason why I will take in my personal opinion is bullish for today. So, but this week's Fed meeting is also very important. Any hint that significantly early reduction in the time of quantitative easing is not a clue to the mainstream view of policymakers will mean that the price of gold will undergo a considerable correction. So this is the second factor. That's why I will my personal opinion is bullish instead of bearish. Okay, so I pay attention to the US building permit for today at 8:30 at night. So that's all for our briefing today. So wish you have a good day and enjoy your day. So see you again next time. Bye bye.